Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the mailbox type because removal methods differ. Once done, remove mail and lock cover. Use a flathead to pry decorative caps, then a Phillips to back out retaining screws. Keep screws in a bag. If the cylinder has a retaining clip, use needle nose to compress and slide it out. Make sure to photograph the lock and any stamped code now, as that code lets you order an exact replacement or rekey service quickly. Once the retaining hardware is loosened and the key turned to align the cam, pull the old cylinder straight out while keeping parts aligned. Compare the new cylinder's length and diameter to the old one. If the cam orientation or length differs, swap or file the cam to match. Insert the new cylinder, turn the key to seat the cam into the locking mechanism, then tighten the retaining screw snugly. Make sure to cycle the lock several times to confirm smooth operation before reattaching covers. To finish, reattach the trim and securely fasten all screws, then test the lock with multiple cycles to ensure reliability. If the key binds, loosen the retaining screw a hair and reposition the cam by 1 to 2 millimeters, then retest. Small adjustments fix most alignment issues. If the cylinder refuses to seat, inspect for paint buildup, debris, or a misaligned strike plate. Clean the bore or carefully file the strike plate until the cylinder slides in smoothly. If problems persist, consider a locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.